leftists are less interested in having such male gurus. You know how you sometimes hear from Trump and others, nobody's driving around with Trump flags. The boaters aren't doing with Biden flags. Nobody's doing Biden boat parades. How could he possibly have any support? You know how sometimes they will say this on the right?
Right.
And we say there's a reason for that. It's not because people don't support Biden. It's because we decide, I'm going to vote for Biden over Trump. I don't need tchotchkes. I don't need gear. I don't need flags or bumper stickers. We don't see these individuals as...
As far as thinking about those guys in the world that they lived in, the craziness of the rock and roll world, the insanity, the sex and drugs and rock and roll, part of what we have. Not so much the drugs now, because everybody gets off the bus and starts lifting weights, which is great. Is it? Yeah, I think it is. Tell that to Jim Morrison. But the insanity, the way that you have to really get your mind in focus and to be able to sit back and think, what is actually going on here, you know?
Yeah.
Why am I